Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Tuesday of May 4, 2021. Please click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube so that you will be updated on the current market. First, I'm going to show you the three sectors and three stocks that are still on the move in the month of May. And after that, I will do the market update on the S&P 500, the Dow, the Nasdaq, oil, gold, and Bitcoin. So stay tuned. So first of all, the sector I'm going to talk about, that's the energy sector. As you can see, the energy sector, that after they pull back down, now they try to find a way to put it back up with hopping up economy recovery, the market open again, so there will high demand, the people will driving more, so they need more oil, and plus the OPEC to keep the production low on the month of May, so this sector is still doing well. So the stock I'm going to pick for this sector is called SXC, right? So this one is Suncorp Energy. So this stock they have been performing very strong, even though they are a low price, but they still have a long way to move after they continue to put it high low to the upside. All right, so that's the first one. And the second sector that's pretty strong right now, that's the financial sector. As you can see here, this one here is still very strong. They continue to dominate the market with a lot of money flow into the market. And you can see that today Secretary Yellen, she also hint that the interest rate may go up. So that's another thing that will put the benefit of the financial sector. So this sector to continue and put it up to the upside. So the stock I'm going to pick for this sector is the FITB. Okay, so this one here, they continue to pull up every time they go up, and then they continue to put to the upside. So the momentum is still in the uptrend right now. So this financial sector definitely will benefit with a lot of money flowing to the market. Okay, and the people they better tie up quick to get a good loan right now before the interest rate go higher. We don't know yet, but that's just a hint, so that we have to pay attention. So FITB will be a good stock for this sector right now. And the next sector is the XLI. Okay, so this one is the industrial sector is pretty strong. You can see that. Okay, the sector continue to put it to the upside with a $2.1 trillion packet. Definitely it's still very strong to move to the upside. And one stock that I'm going to pick for this sector is FedEx. Okay, so as you know, FedEx is still very strong, still high demand right now, and they're going to build more infrastructure. So the FedEx and a lot of stuff, but construction is still doing well here also. So this stock here, they are ready. If they can clear this area here, they will continue to rumble to the upside. Okay, so that's the three sector and three stock that I have for you. That the SXC, FedEx, and the FITP. All right. So besides these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. As you know, that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, so that you need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology. You need to be in the community so that each member will get support and mentor every day and get guiding every morning in our live trading room so that you can make some extra daily income. You can ask any sticker symbol and get the answer to confirm your thinking before taking a trade. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. Now I'm going to do the market update. So first of all, let's take a look on the VIX, okay, which is the volatility index. And on the weekend video, I told you the VIX tried to turn around, and today they shoot it up. But lucky when they hit to the resistance, and then they slam it down again. So that's the first try, first attempt. Okay, but if they break about this line here, you have a market will be move to the downside further. So right now we see that the market in correction. If you look at the S&P 500, we are at this moment we are pulled back this morning, but we still hold up at the support here. So two scenarios can happen. If the market still continue to push it to the upside, they need to hold above this line here, okay, and in order to continue. But if they break below this line here, we were looking for further correction down to this area there, okay. So let's see where the market is heading to. So in the next few days, we'll be able to tell. But you know that we have a good time on the April. You see that the best of the month for the stock market. Now the month of May, it will be a lot more choppy and more volatile. So you have to pay attention. Plus, right now, because the tax they delay to May, so the people they may sell a bunch of stock to pay for the capital gain. So that's another thing that we have to watch out. So the market, if they break this level here, they can easily get back to this level there, to 4,000 level on the S&P 500. All right, so the Nasdaq is the one that get hard hit today. After I told you on the video on the weekend, okay, you see a lot of big cap stock like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, after and now the record earning. But why the stock is not going higher? Because they couldn't break through this level, and when they break through the support here, they pull back down. Okay, so they are in the correction. So the market, it doesn't care, right? So that's why fundamentally it's good, but technically it's bad. It's still no good. So you have to stick with the technical. The technical will tell you exactly what the market heading to. All right, so that's why you need to learn and understand how to read the chart. Very important. Okay, so the next one is the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is hit there, and then the Dow. The Dow is still pretty strong. Finally, Dow is not coming down. They still hold tight there. Okay, so the Dow Jones is only 30 stock in the Dow Jones, but they all doing very well. Okay, so if they can clear this resistance, they can even go higher. The Russell 2000, which is a lot of small cap stock, still have problem to put it to the upside after they hit back to the sell zone, so they pull back down. So they still hang around at the support here. If they break below the support, they can go down further. But if they hold up here, they still have chance to put it up again. And if you look at the crude oil is still rumble to the upside. Okay, so they test the first sell zone, they fail. So today they put it back up. So if they can carry momentum, and then they still have room to put it to the upside to again. Gold, it also they have a trouble to break through a resistance line here. So they tried one attempt, second attempt, you cannot break through it. So let's see what they want to do here. Okay, so until they be able to break this level here in order for them to get up here. Otherwise, they are still jumpy and sideways in this area here before they can find a way up again. And the Bitcoin, so the Bitcoin is still hold up here pretty tight there. So they push it back up, they went back down, but it seems like the people still hold them very well at this level here. Okay, so this one here is still a strong support. As long as they can stay above this one here, they will find a way to put it up. Okay, but the price on the Bitcoin, I think it's too expensive. So the people let buyer get into this one and let institution, they really want to jump in. So they are still sideways correction here right now. Okay, but this is a strong level of support, so you should to watch out. Okay, to see that they be able to hold up and rebound this level. But the Ethereum it already hit to the upper level here, and then they still have room to roll, but right now it's still too fast. So we need to wait for them to pull back. Okay, if you chase them at this moment here, it's a little bit dangerous. So we always wait for them to pull back and buy the dip, like the video I showed you on the weekend. So you have to control yourself. You have to be patient and looking for the good opportunity to get in with a cheaper price. All right, so I think that's all I have for you on the Tuesday market update. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up button below. And thank you for watching and good luck in your trading. Take care, everyone.